Hi students, this episode is not only for parents and students but for everyone in this world. We have already discussed about the value of parents, that is Mata and Pita. So today we discuss about the value of teachers, your gurus. A teacher is the father of all professions.
Teachers make doctors, nurses, lawyers, bank managers, accountants, scientists, computer engineer, businessman, and all other professions. Here my question to you. Do you really value your teachers?
Let me give you a very simple test. This is a test for everyone in this world. Please take a piece of paper and a pen. In your school life, almost 200 teachers might have taught you. Can you please write the names of 100 teachers who have taught you in your life? Not possible. It's okay, I agree. Sometimes it's not possible.
Then try to write the names of at least 50 teachers. Not possible, right?
Then give a final try to write the names of at least all your class teachers. I am sure 99% of you don't even remember the name of the teacher who first taught you to write A, B, C and D.
I know your memory is not allowing you to write it. This is the time to bow down your head, regret and say sorry to your teachers.
You must remember, these teachers were there in your class, not for a few minutes, but for hours and hours and hours.
Now ask yourself where the teachers stand today.
Now, it's time of COVID-19. How many of you called your teachers and asked them, "Hello mom, are you fine? Are you okay? Sir, are you well? Do you need any help from our side?"
How many times you have invited your teachers for your birthday party or any such functions in your home?
How many times we have publicly praised our teachers?
How many of you have called your teachers at least over phone after completing your high school or secondary education?
How many of you have wished your teachers at least on Teachers' Day or any other special occasions?
How many of you have inquired about the physical or financial condition of your teachers?
How many times you have visited your teacher's home after completing your school education?
Did you call any time any of your teachers to inaugurate a function?
How many of you have called your teacher for a dinner?
Very rarely we did such things in our life, isn't it?
Do you know why? Because students rarely discuss about their teachers at their home. We hardly discuss about our teachers and our school days with our children. Of course, we discuss about teachers. When a teacher does a mistake unknowingly, remember, all teachers in this world did their best to you when they were teaching you. And still, they are praying for you.
It's very difficult for parents all over the world to manage one or two kids at home. But the teacher handles 40 to 50 students at a time. In the morning, when your teachers come before you in the class and say, "Good morning students," they carry many burdens on their shoulders. But still they dedicate their whole life for you.
Their work does not stop when the bell rings at the dispersal time. Dear students, your teacher is working for a minimum of 14 hours a day for you. It includes lesson planning, book correction, question paper preparation, completing various registers, preparing assessment reports, preparing notes, remedial teaching, allocate homeworks, assisting over phone and social network, plan and implement educational activities and events, manage co-curricular activities, parent interaction, implement effective classroom management practices, maintain discipline. Not over.
To model honesty, fairness and ethical conduct. To model a caring attitude and promote positive interpersonal relationships. To model correct use of language. To foster student self-control, self-discipline and responsibility to others. To model and promote empathy, compassion and respect for the gender, ethnic, religious, cultural and learning diversity of students. To demonstrate skill when managing student behavior, intervening and resolving problems. To model good social skills, leadership and civic responsibility and other 1,000 unwritten things.
Of course, and other 1,000 unwritten things. Teachers work for you wherever they are. So, teachers are our greatest public servants. They spend their lives educating our young people and shaping our nation for tomorrow.
Everyone who remembers his own education remembers teachers, not methods and techniques. The teacher is the heart of the educational system.
Let this video be an eye-opener. I salute all my teachers. I dream for a day there is special lines for teachers at hospitals, airports, banks, railway stations, shopping malls and priority for teachers at every public place. Because if a teacher loses his time, it's a great loss for the nation. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Please subscribe the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell icon.